All right, so we ran out of work. We processed the last 2 wholesale jobs. It's been like this basically all day. We did a lot of oil changes and on to some use work. So all the bumper tabs that hold the bumper cover on were broken, and this car actually was painted. You can see how blurry the paint is. So this was some cheap guy's work. And then you can see the hood. You can see the imperfections in the hood. It looks like they just misted it and then polished over all the paint work. That's what it looks like to me. And then the paint doesn't match here. That matches there, but what do you expect in our world here? It's just crappy paint work everywhere you go today. So we have these bonding in there, and I have them shimmed to hold them tight. We're also doing 2 tires. 2 tires, brakes and rotors all the way around. Used car recondition work, which is color the steelies. Touched up a hubcap on the other side for curb rash. Brakes all the way around. Freshen up the paint on the steelies so that when the wheel covers are on, it looks like a decent car. And you can see the paint work on the bumper cover is fantastic in the back. In the front, the guy just did a shitty job. What do you expect? This is what's out here today. And I bet you the customer didn't even notice the difference on the bumper cover job. I would bet you they didn't.
Unless they're a car guy.
Yeah. I mean, for a car guy, I don't notice.
Yeah.
And actually, this one here, is that? Actually, I'll touch that little bit up for him too. So this will make somebody very happy to see that a used car dealer actually trying to make the car decent for the customer. It's not that's very rare around here. We only have maybe 2 dealers that we deal with that are like that, where they don't want the bumper cover falling off. They don't want the wheels looking like shit.
They'll go that extra
They're
mile.
going the extra mile, you know. And it's a Toyota. So we're just waiting for 2 tires. Caleb will get the wheels back on it. But yeah,
I'm just waiting for the rims, the rear wheels to dry.
I mean, this paint work is almost identical to what I did with a rattle can.
Yeah. Very similar color too.
Yep,
Extremely similar.
very
color.
similar. But a lot of customers don't notice the paint work because they're so bedazzled with everything else. They're so bedazzled with everything else. Like, oh, I'm getting a new car. I like it. They don't notice all this stuff right away.
Like with my car, that was one of the first things I did. I saw.
Just look at the paint.
Well, I saw that there was damage reported, or just like scratches and dents.
Yeah.
So I went around the whole car trying to see if there was any mismatched paintwork, and I couldn't find any.
Yeah.
The only thing that I found was my car has like the eyebrows that go over the headlights.
Yeah.
The one eyebrow was loose. So I can only assume it was front end.
Yeah. So it obviously was in some type of hit, and mofoed back together. Mofoed.
Mm-hmm.
That's it. Thanks for watching.